Hello everybody. If you saw the prototype video for the wavy bust mini dress, then you know we were left needing to make another prototype, but I didn't want to bore you guys with watching me make another prototype, so I decided I would explain to you guys the pattern alternations that you made so you can kind of better understand how I went from my first prototype to my final. Okay, let me bring you in. Here you can see the front bust, the back bust, front skirt, and the back skirt. We have 3 layers turned on right here. We have our drape, which is just an outline of what I draped on the dress form. We have our first round of adjustments, and then we have our second round of adjustments. Between the drape and the first round of adjustments, you can see we just made some slight changes. We widened the waist a little bit in the front and in the back, and we dropped the back neckline by about an inch. This is the back bust piece. You can see it essentially got mirrored. Where we're gonna see the majority of the changes is between adjustments round 1 and adjustments round 2. Starting with our bust piece, you can see I dropped the neckline and raised this arch. And again, if you watch the prototyping video, then what I'm showing you on this flat pattern should make sense to what I pointed out while I was wearing the prototype. I brought this bust point in by an inch. Since I did that, I had to change the rotation right here of the side seam. And since we exaggerated this arch, we had to exaggerate this arch. This was the original and this was the second prototype. Like I said in my prototype video, I wanted to extremely flare the dress in comparison to what I already had. So here you can see that taper I was talking about in the prototype video and how I took that away and I immediately flared it out. And the same with the back. And you can see that I added half an inch back because I liked how it looked with the seam allowance on it. And I just made this piece about half an inch bigger overall. Coming back to this arch area right here, in the prototype video, I guessed that to take that extra bunching away, I would make this arch skinnier and this arch wider. And if you look closely, that is what I did. You can see right here that this one flares out more and this one is skinnier. But I made sure that this line and this line are the exact same length. That is patterning 101. If you have 2 seams that are lining up together anywhere, the length of each seam should be the exact same. So if the side seam on the back bust is 4 inches, then the side seam on the front bust should equal 4 inches. No more, no less. Okay, that was super fun to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed that. And the next time you'll be seeing me, I will be in the final garment. Mwah. Bye.